The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia brought about many successful business stories.
Yet this vast, stifling country attracts 500,000 strangers every year.
One such humble story is that of the Basamh Group. Near a century ago, Ahmed Saeed Basamh saw an opportunity to work his way from a store employee to an owner. In 1948, he, along with his brothers and sons, established Basamh Trading Company, BTC, as a trusted distributor for market-leading brands, fostering multi-decade-long relationships with exclusive distribution agreements, as well as manufacturing joint ventures. Today, BTC is ranked amongst the top 3 distributors in Saudi Arabia and a top 10 distributor in Asia. With the same passion for innovation and growth, the Goody brand was developed to provide quality products for consumers. For more than 50 years, Goody is recognized as a leader in multiple food categories, becoming the most penetrated household brand and ranking as the top 2 most chosen brands in KSA. Goody Co. continues to introduce categories and brands to the market as they lead the evolution of food culture. Another testament to our growing ecosystem is SFS. From a catering department to a full-fledged food solution service provider, they continue to serve our customers with solutions and expertise that add constant value. Investing in the future, Mutqin, our corporate social program, was developed. Mutqin trains and educates the new generation to join the workforce with the right skill sets. Along this venture, Basamh Group launched a growth incubation lab, GIL, a collaborative accelerator that aims to empower entrepreneurs and drive innovation across the food and beverage industry. The Basamh Group story is a true testament to the power of growth through people, from the growth of a country to the growth of a humble man's vision. We are tirelessly exploring and innovating opportunities for growth with a passionate and fearless team who are continuously challenging what is possible. We invite you to join us on this journey. The Basamh Group, growing people and companies.